How would you like to see notifications like these? All you wanna do is just drag and drop a file right here. And boom! So as you can see, I've earned $705 by simply uploading some files. And if I go a little bit down, then you can see $10 for a document sales commission, $10 for a document sales commission, $10 for a document sales commission, and it's just constantly making me $10 completely passively. I'm not doing any work on this website. I just uploaded some free documents, and that's all I did. And right away I'm gonna show you exactly how to set up this autopilot passive income system, without having any previous experience, without investing a single dollar, without actually having any social media followers, and literally from anywhere in the world. You just want to sign up for a free account by putting your email and a username and a password, and you want to start making money passively. So if that sounds good enough, then drop a like to this video. Go ahead and like this video now. So the website that I'm talking about is called StudyPool. StudyPool is an amazing platform for academics who wish to impart their expertise to students. StudyPool is an online platform that connects students with questions with tutors who can answer them. But we're not going to become a student here, or we're not going to become a tutor here. We're going to upload some of our documents, and we're going to make money. And I'll show you how you can find some documents for free, so that you can upload them to this website, and you can earn up to $5,000 per month passively. So first of all, you want to come over to studypool.com, which I'll leave the link in the description below. And once you come to this website, then you want to click here sign up. And then here you'll enter your email, you'll set a username here, then you'll set a password here, and you want to click create account. And once you logged into your account, then you want to click here on sell docs. And that'll take you to this page, and here you can see earn money by selling study documents. But what type of documents you can sell? You can sell class or lecture notes, practice problems, practice quizzes, old exam study guides, past papers, and old homework. These can be typed up or handwritten. It doesn't have to be in the English language. You can upload any language document, it doesn't matter. And they accept any subjects. It can be traditional school topics like English and science, or more niche subjects like astrophysics and fashion design. The sky is our limit. And even if you don't have anything to upload, then I'll tell you where you can find these, so that you can upload them to this website, and you can earn up to $5,000 per month passively. Now let me show you how you can upload your documents. You can either click this button upload more files, or you can simply drag and drop your file right here, and then StudyPool will review your document, and your document will get approved within the next 2 hours to 24 hours. But I know most people don't have that much time to sort their documents and upload them to this website. So what you can do, you can put all of your documents into a zip folder, and you can simply upload that zip folder right here. Then StudyPool will sort your documents accordingly, and you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so once your document gets approved, then you'll see here accepted, and people are gonna buy your document. Because tens of millions of students are spending time on this StudyPool website, and a single document can be sold multiple times. So there's no earning limit, and you'll earn up to $10 each time when a document is sold. One useful class note can be sold thousands of times and make you tons of money. Some users and top contributors are making up to $5,000 a month from this StudyPool website. So the key to making tons of money is to upload documents as much as you can, which will increase the chance of getting sales multiple times. And once you'll start getting sales, then you'll see here notifications, and if you click on it, then you can see how much you've earned, and which document gets sold. Now let me show you where you can see your total earnings, and how you can withdraw your money. So you want to click here my uploads. And then here you can see how much you've made. So as you can see, I've made a total of $705 completely passively. I got 71 sales, and I have 170 docs approved. So you can withdraw your earnings by simply clicking this withdraw earnings button, and they have various different payment methods. You can withdraw your earnings to PayPal, Payoneer, TransferWise, Western Union, ACH and bank deposit, checks, and M-Pesa. And as I told you that I'll tell you where you can find some documents for free, even if you don't have anything to upload. So what you can do, you can contact your friends, you can contact your cousins, your seniors, your relatives, and you can tell them that you need their old study materials, and you can start collecting from them. And once you have some documents, then you can upload them to this study pool website, and you can start making a good amount of money completely passively. So if you think that this is another great way to make money online, then go ahead and like this video now, and if you're new to my channel then make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my other video.